Alright, so we got a 2001 Suzuki Katana 750, and customer installed a new clutch, and then it was not working correctly. It would not disengage all the way. So I tore it apart and I found what he did wrong. So first off, these two washers, they go in the very front there. They're supposed to line up and look like that. So then, after they're good and cleaned off, the flat one goes in first, and then this one. Okay. And what he did, this was the other important part. So when you buy a clutch kit, all the fibers look pretty close to the same, except there is one that the inside diameter is just a little bit bigger than the other one. So that's where they went wrong, is this one is supposed to go first to clear that spring back in there. Okay. Then you put your, they've got brand new ones, new steel in there. If these were used, you would sand it a little bit, rough it up a little bit, but they're good because they got those little dimples in them. So then you put that one of those on there, and then you just alternate it. And two. And the other thing too, I don't know if this customer did it or not, that is very important when installing any clutch. Soak the clutch plates, the fibers. Soak them. Because when you don't, the first time you fire it up, if you really put it under a lot of load with no oil in here, it will just shell those things right off. I've seen that happen. Customers install their own clutches, they don't soak them. Now this one had already had oil slung through it when they tried to start it. So, it is what it is. But they do look okay. They're not damaged in any way. Alright, that's number 7. Goes like that, and then this washer, like that. These springs, sure, sometimes they coil tighter at the bottom, but not in this case. I think EBC is pretty good about that, if that's what this is. Yeah, and that's the other clutch I would 100% always recommend is EBC. European Brake Company. That's what that stands for. Because they also make brake pads. Okay, well, we'll give this a tighten and see how the operation goes.